Western
Oh my God, my first
County
tornado
in central
warning.
Kentucky,
Holy crap!
southwestern Washington County in central Kentucky
Oh my God.
until
Let's
8:45
go.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight
go.
Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of Bardstown,
Let's go.
moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Freaking tornado warning.
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Oh my
The
God.
following impacts are expected.
Tornado
Flying
warning on
debris
here.
will be dangerous
Tornado
to
warning
those
on here.
caught
Tornado
without
warning on
shelter.
here.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Market telling CNBC yesterday, I think you're going to see price pressure this year.
Tree
There's a strong
damage is
demand.
likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Springfield, Loretto, Burke Spring, Dant, Nerings, Bear Wallow, Briartown, Holy Cross, and Cecilville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Holy crap. And yet this is real.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado. Southwestern Washington County.
So, yeah. Tornado warning, my first one ever. Oh my God.